Let's take a look at some of the best and worst TikTok organic dropshipping products which are out there. So very first of all, this was amazing. And there's a couple of reasons for why this was so good. Number one is this product itself obviously has a really strong wow effect. What makes it so good is this crazy contrast in between the first version and the last one. And the last one is obviously so much cooler, even though the first one also was kind of decent. And you always need to think about the niches themselves. This niche, the wine niche, is obviously really big. There's tons of people drinking wine. And if this goes viral in the right audience, you're gonna crush. This product is just so good because you can make content for like a month in a day, because it's basically the same thing. There's nothing crazy you can do here except for showcasing how cool it is. And the reason why this goes viral is because the product is super cool.
One of my kids brought this huge AirPod to school. It's actually a speaker. Very cool.
So very first of all, this product does have a wow factor and it does seem funny to a lot of people. However, nobody wants to purchase this product. Why the fuck would you need this giant AirPod? Just think about it. It's not useful, it's not practical, it's just something which is entertaining, but it's nothing people actually need at all. And this also seems like it's gonna be pretty expensive. So as a joke, you could sell something like this maybe if it would just cost like $5. But in reality, if it's like an actual speaker for like 40, 50 bucks, it's just not worth it. People not have the urge to buy this. So whenever you pick a product, think about it. Do people need this? So if we go to the other wine product, which I just showed you here, people who drink wine need this. This is actually genuinely really cool for their apartment. They're gonna go home, look at it, and feel good about it. And also, they're gonna be able to show off to their friends. Everybody who walks into their apartment is gonna be like, oh wow, where did you get this? This looks amazing, etc. Of course they need it. Person who drinks wine is gonna see that product and they're gonna be like, huh, how amazing would that look in my apartment? So it actually creates the urge to buy by just showing the product. With this one, literally nobody gives a fuck.
Introducing the Woody Hoodie. It's a hoodie for your Woody.
All right, so let's just take everything I just said previously and throw it out the window here, because this product is converting like crazy. And obviously nobody needs a hoodie for their penis. It's not like nobody uses it. However, it converts like crazy. So why does it actually work? Think about this. Obviously it goes viral because it's funny, it's controversial, it's sexual. You get the point why it goes viral, because it's funny. However, why the fuck does it convert? And the answer is because it's a funny gift within a specific niche, which is girlfriends buying it for their boyfriends as a joke. So the reason why this works is this joke is costing them less than $20 because this product is so cheap. You're going to be able to sell this for anywhere between $10 and $20 and you're going to get away with it. So people are able to invest that money just as a joke to gift it to their boyfriend. And this is a very similar product to these girlfriend print underwear things, which were going super well a couple years ago on Facebook as well. So let's talk about one really interesting thing, which is how can you upsell things for this? Because for this product specifically, I've gotten this question a bunch of times. Hey, I cannot think of anything which I can upsell for this. It's not really possible to get anything complimentary for this because I don't even understand what's going on here. However, the first thing you need to identify is the actual niche, because most people just sell it and they don't even understand why it goes viral, why it sells. The reason is girlfriends buying it for their boyfriends. That's the audience. So think about this. How can you upsell stuff here? First of all, if it's a gift, how about having a nice packaging? Upselling gift wrapping. Upselling, here comes a crazy one, a super romantic rose box, which is also going viral, and I can blend it in somewhere here. Just think about this. Everything is super romantic. You open it up and it's a Woody hoodie. Because obviously this is again a joke. A rose box making it look romantic is gonna enhance the joke. And this is the direction you have to think about. All right, it's a gift. What else can we do here? Because it obviously is a joke, but maybe we can actually have the rose box, put the Woody hoodie inside, and then upsell a real gift. If there's some couple's bracelet or something like that, which actually is romantic, and the girlfriend can be like, no, that was the joke. However, here's the real present. And then all of a sudden we bait the girl with a joke, but in reality, we can upsell something really expensive, which is the actual gift because they're gifting. And this is just a thought process you always need to have while you're selling anything. Is it giftable? Yes or no? who is this actually for? What else could that person need? And if you can answer these questions, your margins are going to jump from like 50% to 70 or even 80% in some cases. The only real problem while picking products is you don't really know what the fine line between proven concept and saturation is. So if it has proven concept, if people are selling it, is it saturated then? Or is it a good sign? But at what point is it actually too much? And that's a question which is really difficult to answer. And the only reason why we can answer it is we have an entire team looking over TikTok and scrolling all day, basically seeing what actually is working and what's not, what's getting saturated right now, and where we can draw that line. So that's literally the reason why our product research method is so successful and so many students in our program see results so fast. So if you want to join the program as well, where we're going to guide you through everything, picking the products, reviewing your content, making sure it converts, just walking you through from zero to actually making legit money with organic, or if you already have an organic store which is working but is not consistent, we're going to actually be able to get to consistent levels and help you scale and have multiple winners. If you're interested, click the link below and I will see you there.